Hi, today we'll see stepper motor control. Okay, so for that we require stepper motor, Arduino, CNC shield and motor driver. Okay, so for the CNC shield we require 5 amps 12 volt adapter. So we have it. So first we'll insert this. So this is a 12 volt to 36 volt 5 amps, we given positive and negative. So here giving power supply. So then motor driver shield 1 we are going to insert it. So here I have given that connection, 4 connection, A1 B1 A2 B2 we have connected. So then we'll insert the connector. So we'll dump the code. Just we have connected the Arduino. So this is the stepper motor control code. Just upload it. So once done uploaded, you can see the motor working.